one of the other things, obviously, is to keep checking out where the hip is. It's nice and soft. There aren't any significant pressure points, but we all know as parents, the foam can get dirty. So there is a way to take it off and clean it. So we're gonna show you that, okay? Without disturbing the fracture, it actually comes off. Okay, and you can just have them sort of lift up a little bit. And then you're gonna kind of just go around their waist.
It's held in by Velcro.
And so it does come off.
So it will come right off.
While you're washing it, you can just take a towel and just sort of put it back there just so there's no pressure.
It's the rough part of the Velcro that would be facing their shirt. And obviously just having a shirt on helps. But now we're gonna take this waist pad and we're gonna hand wash with very, very mild detergent. No dryers, no washing machine. So hand wash, you're then gonna take a towel and you're gonna just blot this out, take out all of the excess water.
Make sure
But
it's
again,
dry.
you're not gonna wring this out, and no dryers, okay? You can let it air dry, you can put it in the sun to dry as well, and then we can go ahead and put it right back in.
And then when you go to put it back on, remember the wide part goes on this side. So on the side of the fracture. Okay, so same thing. And once again, holding them up, and then you're gonna slide this back under. If you are later on in the process, around the 4-week mark, you can almost have the kid sit up, easier to take the Velcro on and off. So there's other ways of doing it. But this can be washed.